Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset all sound settings on Windows 11. To start, we are going to open Settings from the Start menu. After this, in the System, click on Sound. Now at the bottom, click on the option Volume Mixer. When you access there, click on the Reset button. Wait for the parameters to be restored. Then enter sounds in the search box. Click Change System Sounds. In this window, in a sound scheme, validate that the Windows default option is set. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.